What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to carve a ham, the easiest way. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. How to carve a ham. You'll need a cooked, semi-boneless ham, a sharp knife, preferably one with a long, thin blade you feel comfortable controlling. You don't need a meat cleaver to carve your ham. A carving fork, which you'll use to stabilize your ham as you cut. Set up your slicing station first. One of the most common blunders is crowding yourself into an insufficiently large area to carve. You'll only make things more difficult for yourself if your cutting board is too small. There's nowhere to shift your slices, or you don't have enough room to move your arms. Setting up a large cutting board at a normal working height, don't hunch over the table to carve in front of your guests, is recommended. You'll need some extra space. Place the ham on your board and get out your sharp knife and fork. These are the knives that every cook should have in their kitchen. Step 2. Carve off a boneless section. Your semi-boneless ham has just one bone running through it. Arrange the ham on your board so the pre-cut side is down. The bone should be perpendicular to the board. Pierce your fork into the top corner of the meat. It should be out of the way of your cutting knife, but it should be sufficiently deep in the meat to hold it still as you cut. Carve along the bone to remove the boneless section of meat. Step 3. Slice it. Carve this section into vertical slices. Set these slices on a serving plate, tenting them with foil to keep them warm. Step 4. Carve horizontally around the bone. Insert a fork near the bone into the meat. To begin, make horizontal cuts through the meat all the way to the bone. Step 5. Carve vertically. Then, make a vertical cut along the bone. This will result in horizontal slices that fall neatly onto the board. Place them on a serving plate. Step 6. Assemble and serve. That's all. Don't forget to save the leftovers for a tasty second meal. This ham casserole is a personal favorite of ours. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.